Welcome to this complete Torremolinos Spain travel guide. Nestled in the heart of the Costa del Sol, Torremolinos is a jewel of Andalusian charm and vibrant Spanish culture. This coastal town, once a humble fishing village, has blossomed into a bustling tourist destination, renowned for its pristine beaches, lively nightlife, and diverse attractions. It's a place where the sun always seems to shine, casting its warm glow on the azure Mediterranean waters and the town's whitewashed buildings. From the bustling Calis San Miguel to the tranquil Molino de Inca Botanical Garden, there's an array of experiences waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget, Torremolinos is a foodie's paradise, offering a tantalizing array of Andalusian flavors. Whether you're a beach bum, a history buff, a thrill seeker, or a nature lover, Torremolinos has something for everyone. So are you ready to explore this Spanish gem with us? Grab your sun hat and sunblock as we embark on this sunny adventure together. Our first stop is the captivating Carihuela beach. Nestled in the heart of Torremolinos, this beach is a sunbather's paradise. Picture this, a long stretch of golden sand, kissed by the sun and lapped by the gentle waves of the Mediterranean Sea. The beach is famed for its pristine waters, offering the perfect setting for a refreshing dip or a leisurely swim. But there's more to Carihuela than just lounging under the sun. The beach is a hub of activity, with a plethora of water sports to keep thrill seekers entertained. From jet skiing to paddle boarding, there's something for everyone. And if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. The beach is lined with charming chiringuitos, traditional Spanish beach bars, serving up delicious seafood and ice-cold sangrias. As the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant nightlife hotspot with live music and dancing under the stars. A beach paradise indeed. Carihuela Beach is quite the coastal gem. Next, we dive into the exciting Aqualand Torremolinos. A realm of aquatic adventure, this water park is a bubbling pot of fun and frolic. One of the largest water parks in Spain, Aqualand Torremolinos offers an array of thrilling rides for the adrenaline junkie, the wave pool for those who prefer a gentle bob, and the jacuzzi for anyone seeking a serene soak. For those with a need for speed, the kamikaze slide is a must. Descend from dizzying heights at breathtaking speeds and feel your heart leap into your throat. Conversely, the Niagara slide offers a more gentle, family-friendly ride, perfect for those looking for a shared thrill. And let's not forget the mini park, a haven for our youngest water enthusiasts, featuring a multitude of slides and splash zones. As the sun sets, you can kick back at one of the park's many eateries, refuel and reminisce about the day's aquatic adventures. Water enthusiasts, Aqualand Torremolinos is your aquatic haven. For the wildlife enthusiasts, we present the Crocodile Park. An oasis in the heart of Torremolinos, this park offers a unique experience that's as thrilling as it is enlightening. Here you'll come face to face with some of nature's most formidable creatures, the crocodiles. This park is home to over 200 crocodiles, ranging from tiny babies to massive adults that can reach up to 5 meters in length. But fear not, the park's expert guides are always on hand to ensure your safety. What's more, the Crocodile Park isn't just about observing these powerful creatures. It's also about learning. The park offers guided educational tours that delve into the fascinating world of crocodiles, their biology, their behavior, and their role in the ecosystem. Whether you're a nature lover, an animal enthusiast, or just someone looking for a bit of adventure, the Crocodile Park offers an experience that's both exciting and educational. For a walk on the wild side, the Crocodile Park is your go-to destination. Now let's breathe in the fresh air at Parque Labaria. This park is a true gem, nestled in the bustling city of Torremolinos. It's a place where nature takes center stage, with beautiful flora that paints an ever-changing palette of colors throughout the year. From the vibrant hues of spring blossoms to the rich golds of autumn leaves, the park is a living masterpiece. The tranquil atmosphere here is a welcome break from the city's lively pace. It's a place to unwind, to take a leisurely stroll along the winding paths, or to simply sit and enjoy the serenity. The park also boasts panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. From here you can see the cityscape stretching out before you, framed by the shimmering sea and the distant mountains. This is Parque Labaria, a green sanctuary where you can connect with nature, recharge, and find a moment of peace amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Parque Labaria, a green oasis in the heart of the city. Next, we stroll down the bustling Calis San Miguel. Picture a lively street pulsating with energy, where the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of Spanish cuisine from the local restaurants. This is Calis San Miguel, the heartbeat of Torremolinos. This vibrant shopping street is a treasure trove of unique finds, from traditional Spanish ceramics and flamenco dresses to contemporary fashion and souvenirs. As we meander through the street, we're not just shopping but immersing ourselves in the local culture. The sound of Spanish guitar wafts through the air, blending with the chatter of locals and tourists alike. The store owners, with their warm smiles and welcoming demeanor, add to the street's charm. And let's not forget the array of cafes and tapas bars that line the street, offering a chance to refuel and soak in the scene. With every step, there's something new to discover, making every visit to Calis San Miguel a unique experience. Calis San Miguel, a haven for shoppers and culture seekers alike. For those with a love for flora, the Molino de Inca Botanical Garden awaits. A living testament to nature's splendor, the garden paints a vivid picture with its diverse collection of plant species. From towering palms to delicate orchids, there's a world of greenery to explore. But it's not just about the plants. The garden's serene atmosphere is an invitation to slow down, to breathe in the scent of blossoming flowers, and to listen to the soft rustle of leaves. It's a place where you can step away from the hustle and bustle and lose yourself in the tranquility of nature. And let's not forget the historical significance of the garden. Once a flour mill in the 15th century, the Molino de Inca has been lovingly transformed into this botanical haven. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where every corner tells a story. Molino de Inca Botanical Garden, where nature and history intertwine. Back to the coast, we visit the stunning Bajandilo Beach. Tucked away in the heart of Torremolinos, Bajandilo Beach is a hidden gem. This coastal wonder, with its golden sands and crystal-clear azure waters, is a sight to behold. The beach is set against a backdrop of high cliffs, creating a picturesque setting that's straight out of a postcard. But Bajandilo Beach isn't just about lounging in the sun. Oh no, it's a hive of activity. From beach volleyball to paddleboarding, there's always something happening here. And if you're not one for sports, fear not. The beach's promenade is dotted with quaint shops selling unique souvenirs and trinkets. Fancy a bite? Well, you're in luck. Bajandilo Beach is flanked by a plethora of eateries serving a smorgasbord of gastronomic delights. From traditional Spanish tapas to fresh seafood, there's something to satiate every palate. Bajandilo Beach, your idyllic coastal retreat. We now find ourselves in the vibrant Plaza Costa del Sol. This kaleidoscope of life and culture is the pulse of Torremolinos. The plaza buzzes with a rhythm that's uniquely its own, a perfect blend of modernity and tradition. Imagine a place where the past and present coexist. The plaza is dotted with historic landmarks, each narrating a tale of its time. Swirling around these landmarks, you'll find a flurry of activities that seem to never cease. From street performers showcasing their talents to the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike, there's always something happening around every corner. Feeling peckish? The plaza is a foodie's paradise. It offers a smorgasbord of culinary delights, from traditional Spanish tapas to international cuisines. Or perhaps shopping is more your speed. The plaza's myriad of boutiques and stores offer a treasure trove of unique finds. Plaza Costa del Sol, the beating heart of Torremolinos. Lastly, we have a double feature: Sea Life Benel Medina and Casadelos Navajas. The first stop is Sea Life Benel Medina, a fascinating underwater world that will leave you spellbound. This marvelous aquarium is home to a vast array of marine life. From the mesmerizing jellyfish to the playful otters, every creature here tells a unique story about the richness of our oceans. Next, we journey to Casadelos Navajas. This stunning mansion is a testament to the architectural splendor of the early 20th century. The Moorish designs intricately etched into the walls and ceilings will transport you back in time. The mansion's sea-facing location further adds to its charm, offering a captivating view of the Mediterranean. So, whether you're a fan of the deep blue sea or a lover of historical architecture, these two attractions have got you covered. Two unique experiences, one unforgettable adventure, And there you have it, a taste of the sunny Torremolinos. We've walked the sandy shores of La Carihuela and Bajandilo beaches, splashed around Aqualand, and met some scaly friends at the Crocodile Park. We felt the tranquility of Parque Labaria and strolled down Calis San Miguel, soaking in the vibrant local culture. The Molino de Inca Botanical Garden was a green oasis of peace, while Plaza Costa del Sol pulsed with energy and life. And let's not forget our nearby adventure to sea life Benel, Medina, where the mysteries of the deep were revealed. Finally, we stepped back in time at the Casadelos Navajas, a historic gem nestled in this coastal paradise. Each corner of Torremolinos holds a unique charm, an invitation to adventure, and a promise of memories waiting to be made. Thank you for joining this journey. Until next time, safe travels.